Hi and welcome to SKAD Tech. In today's video, I am going to unbox the Deco 01 design tablet from XP Pen. If you are new to the channel, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And let's continue with the unboxing. First, we have to remove the plastic. Deco 01 version 2 written on the packing. These are the specifications. Let's remove this outer packing. Once you remove it, you have this beautiful blue box which opens like this. On top you have the tablet itself. Let's remove it. And we will check this in a while. And then we have the screen protector in the box. Next we have this pen holder or stand, so you can keep your pen in it when you are not using it. Then we have the USB cable, which is type C. The type C end connects to the tablet, and the other end of the cable, the type A, connects to the computer. And this is the glove. Let's put it on. It feels quite smooth and silky. And then we have the warranty policy. Quick guide. And then we have quick guide for Android devices. Next we have the OTG adapters in case you want to connect your tablet to Android devices. It comes with two options, USB-C and USB mini. And then we have this pen tips. Just keep it safe, you might need it later on. And last but not least, we have the pen. It looks okay in the hand, although a little thicker. It comes with two buttons. Now let's move on to the tablet. This is the front side of the tablet. Looks decent and strong. At the back you have the serial number and other information. On the left side we have a USB-C port. These are 8 buttons, shortcut buttons. Let's remove the screen protector which comes with it from factory. And this is the area where you have to do your drawings or writing, whatever. This is 10 by 6 inch work area. So that's it for unboxing today, and once again please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.